Hi, how's it going? This is Dino Redwell here from rockmedia.com. In today's video we have a special tutorial which is to show you how to change a tire and a tube of your bicycle. Welcome back. So as you can see, my tire is becoming very weary and it cannot be used anymore, so we need to change it. That's why I have bought a new one, but we need to remove it first. So first of all, you're gonna need these two pieces, flat screwdriver. You can find the appropriate piece in the market. Okay, so first of all we need to remove the lid. And the screw here, just turn it around. Okay, next just use this piece.
www.rackmedia.com.
Next, you just squeeze the tire a little bit, then insert the flat piece. It's done. So move it a little bit up and down until you find the space to put the other device. Next, you continue with the rest of the circle. Now it's easier, just use the plastic device to move it around the tire. Now you can use it by hand. Okay, so now we need to remove the tube. Need to start from here, remove gently. As you can see, it is no longer usable, so I need to change it to. Put it away. Now we need to remove the whole tire, so just force in here with your hands. That's it, and keep on turning the cycle, and that's it. So the tire is out. Let's get the new one now. But first of all, we need to check if there are any things in here which can damage the tube. So check well before inserting the new tube. Now it's time to get our new tire into place. So we need, first of all, you need to check the number. So you need to buy the correct number of your cycle. So if you are not sure, you just check the old tire and you get reference from it. So first of all, you insert it from one part. It's easy, just press on it and it is done. As you can see, now we have one part which is inserted. Next, you need to insert the tube. You can buy a new tube, as you can see, but you must first get the correct reference of the tube, the same as we have done with the tire. So whether you check your tire or you check the old tube which was inside for the correct and appropriate size of the tube. So this is our new tube. Remove this two parts and put it in a safe place. We'll need them later. Now make sure if there are any damage, also new ones could be damaged, or if they are stocked for a long period of time they may be damaged. To check this and to make it easier to insert the tube inside the tire, we'll pump some air into it in order to make it go round. As you can see here, it is becoming round. That's it. As you can see, it has become circle. This will make it easier for us to insert it into the under the tire, and at the same time to check if there is any problem. Good. Search for the hole. It is in here. Okay. So we need to start from here. Insert the tube. Okay, so press in here and get it back, then check the hole. That's it. It's done. Let's finish with the rest of the tube. So just be gentle and make sure it is in the appropriate place. Just go bit by bit.
www.rackmedia.com.
Now we can start getting back the second part of the tire. To do so, just use your hands, the back of your hands, to force it gently until you finish with 20 or 15 centimeter left over. Now we can use the devices to force them to get into place. So the plastic holder. Set. Need to use a rather solid device. Make sure you do not grasp the tube in order not to damage it. So be gentle. That's it. Finish the rest with your hand. And voila, it's done. Let's remove this. Okay. So now we need to go around the tire and try to remove it a little bit in order for the tube to get its place. It's done. So now we can get back the screw to hold this part in here. Make sure it does not move. Great. So now that our tube and tire is on its place, now we can pump in the air and check it. So just make sure that the tire, there is no space between the cycle and the tire. Well done. Everything is alright. So here is our tire and tube changed correctly, and now we can carry on cycling without any problems. Till next tutorial, take care. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.